Here we have another question. It is asking that Mr. Patel walked 60 kilometer to reach this station from his house. Then he boarded a train. That means if Mr. Patel has walked 60 kilometer to reach this station from his house. Then he boarded a train whose average speed was 60 kilometer per hour, and thus he reached his destination. In this way, he took total of 3 hours. So these are the data given to us. If the average speed of the entire journey was 32 km per hour, then the average speed of the walking is, that means we have to find the average speed of the walking. So it is given that by walking, Mr. Patel has walked for 60 km, but we don't know the time, for how much time he has walked. So if we can find the time of walking, then we can find out that what is the average speed of his walking. Okay, so let the time be t. Let the time be t. Okay, so now the average speed of the train is 60 km per hour is given. In this way he and the other is this. In this way he took total of 3 hours. If the average speed of the entire journey was 32 km per hour, then the average speed of the walking is c. 6 by t is the average speed of, t is the time taken for walking, so 6 by t will give me the average speed of walking. Okay, then the average speed of the walking is, so time we have taken t, time for walking. Hours. Okay, so 6 by t, then what happened, he has boarded the train, so 60 km is the average speed. So this one is the average speed. It will be equal to how much? 32 km per hour. That is the average speed of the entire journey. It will be equal to 32. Question, from here we have to find the value of t. Okay, so now what happened, mean 6 by t plus 60 is equal to 64. Mean 6 by t is equal to 64 minus 60, means 6 by t is equal to 4. That means t is equal to 6 by 4. So that is the time taken for walking. Now we have to find the average speed. So average speed is equal to how much? Distance by time taken. So what is the distance? 6. And what is the time taken? T I have taken for walking time, that is t hours. So t is equal to 6 by 4. So average speed is equal to distance by time. So 6 by 4 is the time. Okay, now 6 into 4 by 6. So 6 will get cancelled. What is the time? 4 hours. So 4 hours is the average speed of walking. So 4 hours, C will be the answer. 4 km per hour is the average speed. So it will be not hours, it will be kilometer per hour. Okay, so average speed is 4 km per hour. Okay, in this way we have to solve this type of problems.